Best 3D Printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 2 Resin 3D Printer, High Precision, Upgraded Light Turbo Matrix, Large 4K Monochrome LCD, 6.49 inches by 5.62 inches by 3.5 inches build volume. Experience professional-grade 3D printing at home with the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 Resin 3D Printer. Designed for hobbyists, creators, and engineers alike, this cutting-edge printer combines precision, speed, and reliability to bring your digital creations to life. Featuring a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen, the Photon Mono 2 delivers exceptional layer resolution and fine detail, ensuring every print is crisp, smooth, and accurate. Powered by the upgraded Light Turbo Matrix, this printer accelerates curing time while maintaining high precision, reducing overall print time without compromising quality. With an enlarged build volume of 6.49 inches by 5.62 inches by 3.5 inches, you can tackle larger projects or multiple smaller models in a single print, expanding your creative possibilities. Its durable aluminum frame provides stability and longevity, while the sleek blue and black design adds a modern, professional look to your workspace. The Photon Mono 2 is user-friendly, offering an intuitive interface and reliable performance for both beginners and advanced users. Its compact dimensions of 11.81-inch dx 11.81 wx 20.88h and lightweight design, 5 kg, make it easy to place on your desk or workstation. Compatible with a wide range of resins, it supports diverse applications, from miniature models and prototypes to jewelry and functional parts. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, where speed, precision, and innovation meet, perfect for hobbyists and professionals seeking high-quality resin prints every time. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3SA. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer, Direct Dual Gear Extruder, Fully Metal, CR Touch Auto Leveling, Silent Motherboard. Unlock your creativity with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer, engineered for precision, reliability, and ease of use. This advanced 3D printer is perfect for hobbyists, designers, and engineers seeking high-quality prints with minimal effort. Equipped with a direct dual gear extruder, it ensures consistent filament feeding and superior extrusion performance, allowing you to achieve sharp details and smooth surfaces on every project. The fully metal construction of the Ender 3v3 Plus enhances stability and durability, ensuring long-term reliability and precise printing performance. Featuring the CR Touch Auto Leveling system, bed leveling is effortless, providing consistent first layers and reducing print failures, even for beginners. Combined with the Silent Motherboard, your printing experience is quieter and more efficient, allowing for extended printing sessions without noise disruptions. With compact dimensions of 10-inch dx10 wx10h and a manageable weight of 11.5 kg, the Ender 3v3 Plus fits easily on any desk or workstation, making it ideal for home, office, or studio use. It is compatible with personal computers, offering seamless connectivity and control for your printing projects. Whether you're creating prototypes, models, or functional parts, the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus delivers professional-grade results with ease. Its combination of advanced hardware, user-friendly features, and precise printing capabilities makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced makers. Elevate your 3D printing experience and bring your ideas to life with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, where innovation, reliability, and precision meet. Number 3. Prusa MK4S. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches 3D Printer Kit, beginner-friendly DIY 3D printer with removable print sheets, automatic calibration, and filament sample. Discover the joy of 3D printing with the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches 3D Printer Kit, designed for makers of all levels. This beginner-friendly DIY kit provides a hands-on assembly experience while delivering professional-quality prints. With its removable print sheets, you can easily remove finished models without damaging them, making post-processing faster and hassle-free. The Creality Ender features automatic calibration, ensuring precise layer alignment and consistent results for every print. Its sturdy metal and plastic construction guarantees stability and durability, while the sleek black design adds a modern touch to any workspace. With a generous print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, this printer can handle a wide variety of projects, from miniatures and prototypes to functional parts. Included with the kit is a sample filament, allowing you to start printing immediately after assembly. The DIY assembly process is not only educational but also fun, giving you insight into the mechanics of 3D printing and fostering a deeper connection with your creations. Its dimensions of 19.6-inch dx 15.7 wx 21.6h and weight of 10.2 kilograms make it a compact yet powerful addition to your desk, studio, or workshop. The original Prusa Ender is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced makers looking for a reliable, high-quality 3D printer kit. Whether you're printing models, prototypes, or creative projects, this kit combines precision, convenience, and fun, delivering a complete 3D printing experience that's ready to inspire your next creation. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer, Multicolor 4 Extruder, High-Speed 600 mm per second Printing, ACE Pro Filament Storage, Beginner-Friendly. Elevate your 3D printing experience with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer, designed for makers of all skill levels. This innovative multicolor printer features 4 independent extruders, allowing you to create vibrant, multi-material prints in a single session. Achieve smooth, detailed, and professional quality results with a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, perfect for rapid prototyping, models, and creative projects. The Kobra 3 Combo includes the ACE Pro Sealed Filament Storage System, keeping your filaments dry and free from dust, ensuring consistent extrusion and superior print quality. Its metal frame construction provides durability and stability, while the user-friendly interface and intuitive setup make it accessible for beginners and advanced users alike. With a compact build volume of 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches, you can tackle both small intricate designs and larger functional models with ease. Designed for convenience, the printer is compatible with laptops and personal computers, offering seamless connectivity and control for all your projects. Its dimensions of 17.8-inch dx 19.8 wx 19h and lightweight design, 9.2 kilograms, make it easy to place on any desk or workstation without sacrificing performance. Whether you're experimenting with multicolor art, creating prototypes, or printing functional parts, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo provides precision, speed, and reliability in one compact package. Unlock endless creative possibilities and enjoy a smooth, hassle-free 3D printing experience with this versatile, all-in-one printer. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer, High-Speed Core XY, One-Click Auto Printing, Quick Detach 280 degrees Celsius Nozzle, Multi-Material, 220 by 220 by 220 mm Build Volume. Take your 3D printing to the next level with the FLASHFRGE Adventurer 5M Pro, a professional-grade printer designed for speed, precision, and versatility. Equipped with a Core XY all-metal structure, this printer delivers stable, high-precision printing while reducing vibrations and improving layer accuracy. Its one-click auto printing system makes setup effortless, allowing both beginners and experienced users to start producing high-quality prints in minutes. The Adventurer 5M Pro features a quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, enabling fast nozzle changes and the ability to print a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PTG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PTGCF. With a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, you can create detailed models, prototypes, and functional parts with ease. Its high-speed printing capability of up to 600 mm per second allows for rapid production without sacrificing print quality. Constructed with durability in mind, the all-metal frame ensures long-lasting performance, while its compact dimensions of 15.75-inch dx 14.96 wx 17.83h and a weight of 32.1 pounds make it ideal for home, office, or workshop use. The Adventurer 5M Pro combines multi-functionality, high-speed efficiency, and user-friendly features, making it suitable for a variety of projects and materials. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, the FLASHFRGE Adventurer 5M Pro offers precision, reliability, and versatility in one sleek, advanced package perfect for bringing your creative ideas to life quickly and effortlessly.